This video will give you a quick instruction set on how to copy a new strategy into your strategy wizard. First, I'm going to launch the strategy wizard by double-clicking on the desktop icon that says Launch Start NS Wizard. And once the strategy wizard dashboard loads up, I will simply click on the Options button to the right of one of my strategies, long or short. I'm going to be working with a long strategy here today, so I will click on the Options button to the right of the number one strategy that, and it doesn't matter which one that I click on because I will choose which strategy I'm going to replace from within the options. So I click on Options and then I click on Copy Strategy. Now here we see the source or where I would copy the strategies from, and that's on these email addresses. That's how it's sorted. And then copy to is the license that you have, and that's where you would copy that strategy to. So for this exercise, I'm going to replace this top strategy, and I'm going to first go to a couple of different email addresses. Now, if you click your mouse into that copy from email address, you can then quickly type the first few characters of what you might be looking for. For instance, the new traders subscriptions come with a general set of default strategies, and they are under the email address of newyuser@cool-trade.com. So I'm going to quickly type a quick NEW, and then I am going to use my up and down arrow keys until I find the new user. So there is the new user at cool-trade.com, and we have a $1 to $2 strategy, and then the Bank of America strategy, and then 3 different price points for the Dow Long strategy. Now there's also several other email addresses where there are some strategies that we happen to have picked from other users or from people that are just out there creating different strategies to see how they act. And again, this is all for simulation purposes, but they are under the office email addresses. So quickly I'm going to type in OFF, and there's Office 1, and you can see all different kinds of strategies here from Office 1, Office 10, Office 12, Office 2, Office 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's all kinds of different simulation strategies in here that you are more than welcome to take a look at. And again, you can just sort through all of these email addresses with your arrow keys or your page up, page down, and there are literally hundreds of other Cool Trade users that are sharing their strategies. Now, I want to take a look, let's say, at this. I'm going to go here to the office strategies. I'm going to take a look at this one that I was interested in. This, let's see, where was it? I think it was on Office 5. It is called Active Trades. I'm going to take a look at this Active Trades. I want to see what this strategy is about. If I click on Print, it will bring up the most of the definitions of this strategy right here so I can see. Looks like it has a profit goal, pullback, and a profit protection. You can see all the different settings. You can see the watch list rules. Not a lot of rules in this strategy at all. So basically it is going to most likely have a defined set of a defined set of stocks within the strategy, because this one watch list rule can't be the only thing, because that would be pulling up hundreds of symbols. So go ahead and take a look at these strategies. Now, to find out more about them, what you will need to do is you will need to actually copy this strategy to your trader, and then you can open the strategy and take a look at it. So I'm going to click in here, Active Trades. I see down here my new strategy name is Active Trades, and I'm going to overwrite this 200 by 600 by 3% average true range strategy. So I'm going to move active trades from the office email address down to Ron's email address, and then I'll hit copy strategy, and it just takes a moment to pull that in, and it replaces the 200 by 600 strategy with the active trades. Then from there, I could click on this and go in and see the actual every different setting for the strategy. So if you have any more questions regarding how to operate the strategy wizard and copy strategies, send us an email at technicalsupport@cool-trade.com. Thanks. Have a nice day.